just going to demonstrate how to use one of these coffee grinders for my wife. There are marks. You load up to this mark, and that's where you put your whole coffee beans, and then you'll put this lid back on. I'll show just a moment. Once you have your coffee beans in the grinder to that line, lid on, pulp the power till you get your consistency you want. I don't go very fine with mine, so that's perfect for me. Then I take and dump it into my old coffee container that I use, as you can see there. I'm not going to fill mine completely up. I just grind a little bit at a time and use it as I need it. Dip it out with my Keurig coffee strainer. It's made for grounds, and that's how I make my coffee. Myself use this as my coffee beans. You can use whatever you like. Cheaper to buy it in full beans and grind it yourself, and it's also a better coffee. Kind of doing a little review on this coffee grinder. Turned out being pretty good bang for the buck, even though it's pretty much a no-name. Something we know comes from China, but under circumstances can afford better or more expensive. Got this to do what I needed to do to make me some coffee. Coffee getting expensive, especially for a Keurig. So we adapt and overcome. I get my coffee pod that I also got from Amazon, and I fill it to almost to the top. Works well with the Keurig first version, which I have. Put that in the machine and have me an awesome cup of coffee for a lot less than the Keurig cup.